Vilas Paswan was an Indian politician from Bihar and the cabinet minister of Consumer Affairs, Food, and Public Distribution in the Modi ministry. Paswan was also the president of the Lok Janshakti Party, 9-time Lok Sabha member and Rajya Sabha MP. He started his political career as member of Samyukta Socialist Party and was elected to the Bihar Legislative Assembly in 1969. Later, Paswan joined Lok Dal upon its formation in 1974 and became its general secretary. He opposed the emergency and was arrested during this period. He entered the Lok Sabha in 1977 as a Janata Party member from Hajipur constituency, was chosen again in 1980, 1989, 1996 and 1998, 1999, 2004 and 2014. In 2000, Paswan formed the Lok Janshakti Party as its president. Subsequently, in 2004, he joined the ruling United Progressive Alliance government and remained a union minister in Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers and Ministry of Steel. Paswan won the 2004 Lok Sabha elections but lost the 2009 elections. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.